are here, Boardwalk. Just got here, and it is packed at the check-in. It's that chandelier I love so much. Ah, the smell of the Boardwalk is so amazing. Paintings with the different castles from around the world's parks. My favorite nanny chair. Ooh, there's a little seating area now over here for this carousel coffee. All right, I'm gonna go find the longest walk, and it's a maze. But we haven't been here since the refurb, so all these hallways are different. These chandeliers are really cool. And there's little hidden Mickeys on the carpet. All right, the rest of the family's already here. I had to park the car. I think this is ours. Let's see which one. No, I don't. Oh, here we are. Here we are. Big entryway. Closet at the beginning. Hello. Oh, we haven't seen this since the refurb, and it is so much brighter. Here's the kitchen.
I love the colors.
Yeah, the colors are nice. Oh, look at this painting. Webby? Oh, we gotta turn this down. Oh no, I'm gonna have to figure out how to hack that. All right, here is the main bedroom, master bedroom. It's so nice. Oh, look at that, it's so nice and new looking. And then we have nice tub. There used to be like a window into the master bedroom, which was always weird. This is much nicer. And then sink. And then we have a big old walk-in closet, which is nice.
It's nice.
And then Hayden is taking a shower, so we can't look at that right now.
Olivia's in our bathroom.
Okay. And then here's the pull-down Murphy bed. This is where Hayden's gonna sleep.
Nice. It's not the nicest.
Yeah, we're doing the pool view. Looks like the quiet pool is what we got.
Yeah, but I saw the boat drive past here.
Now this is weird. I thought we would have been able to, since we're connected here to this next room. Anyway.
Well, sometimes you're not connected to.
I thought that could move open or whatever, but it doesn't look like it. Okay. So then the girls have their own studio connected here.
Yeah.
With a pull-down sleeper here. Some drawers there. I got rid of the carpet. Pull down here. Nice big old bed here.
Look at the photos.
Oh yeah, those are cool. Look how fancy Mickey. And then,
There's some chairs right
oh yeah, some pull-out stools to sit on. Then we have a little kitchenette here with a bunch of stuff.
Olivia.
Nice little entryway here. Put your guys' shoes. Oh yes, I love that one. See, I want to be able to buy. Can you buy this stuff?
No.
Hold up. No? In the screen door, can you buy it? And then this is their little bathroom area. And Olivia's taking a shower, so we can't see that. But this is the room. It looks really nice.
Yeah, this is nice.